Welcome back to the channel. Today, OpenAI has introduced a new way for users to interact with their popular chatbot, ChatGPT. By calling the US toll-free number 1-800-242-8478 or messaging via WhatsApp, users can now easily access the chatbot through the familiar and affordable channels. According to OpenAI, receivers will receive 15 minutes of free access each month. If you are calling from Singapore, you can use the IDD minutes that is provided by your telco and call +1 800 242 8478. Now let's give it a try by calling the number from the phone book.
Sorry, the number you have dialed is engaged at the moment. Please try again later.
Okay, let's give it a try.
Hello again, it's ChatGPT, an AI assistant. Our conversation may be reviewed for safety. How can I help you?
Hi ChatGPT, how are you today?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How about you?
It's nice to hear that you are now online using WhatsApp. Congratulations.
Thank you. I'm glad to be here. What's on your mind today?
So which are the top movies right now?
Some of the top movies recently include Dune Part 2, Spider-Man Across the Spider-Verse, and Oppenheimer. These movies have been getting a lot of buzz. Are you a big movie fan?
So will you be accessing ChatGPT from WhatsApp or direct dial to your phone number? Leave your comments below and remember to subscribe to our channel for more updates and news in the tech world. See you in the next one.